Hidden within the leaves are small arboreal snakes that terrify local farmers. Green pit vipers. They don't mean to harm humans. It's a byproduct of their incredible hunting prowess. That wide head houses large venom glands and long, hinged fangs. Like other vipers, their mouths can open almost 180 degrees to strike. But their venom isn't the worst of them. Green pit vipers are dangerous because these tree dwellers hunt and strike at head height. A mistaken bite on a human can cause bleeding and painful swelling, sometimes resulting in asphyxiation and death.